Okay, so we're doing another haunted house this year, and I wanted to document the whole process because there's not a lot of great videos on YouTube. But we got a little ahead of ourselves and we started building before I could start recording. So we put a message on Facebook to our community page, and we just asked if anybody had anything for free. We're trying to go a lot bigger this year, and our community really came through. So everything here was donated. We did buy a couple things, but most of the stuff here already was donated. So I'll give you guys a little look at that. Okay, so we're starting the structure. This gate right here is where people will come in through, and it'll be open, so it'll put a block right here. So they'll come in through the gate, they'll go down this way, a bunch of mannequin stuff. Go down that way, turn, it'll come back this way. We still got to add all of our vertical support so that we can get it up as high as this. This is going to be 7 feet tall. We'll do it all the way across. It's going to be fully enclosed. They'll come down this way. This is going to be turned into a room for scaring. Then we're gonna come down this way. We'll go around. This will be another scare point right here. Come down this way, through here, down this way. That's Dylan. Say what's up, Dylan.
What up?
Cameron, always putting in work. Then they'll come out this way. And once they come down this way, they'll turn, go down this way. Don't mind our pool. We turned off the pump about a month ago. We're draining it to get it replastered. So that will be empty. So we're gonna build a bridge. This is just our makeshift bridge right now to see how we want to do it, and I'll hopefully not fall in the pool right now, tiptoeing across this through there. Then they'll come back into here, which will be enclosed again, through here, through this way. Another scare point right here. We got all these today donated off Facebook. They're styrofoam blocks, but I mean, they look awesome. So we don't know what we're gonna do with them, but they were donated. So come back down this way. All this stuff will be cleared out. Be a circus in here. This will all be circus themed. Come down this way, back out, kind of see our tape on the ground of where we're going with it. Down that way, back around this way, through here, down the alleyway, which all that stuff will be cleared out, and then into the garage, through another maze, and then back out. So right now we got a little ahead of ourselves and just started building. So far, like I said, everything's been donated. We're gonna try to do it as cheap as possible. And when I say cheap, I don't mean cheap looking. I just mean we're not gonna break the bank. We are gonna add one big thing. We've added one big thing to our haunted house every year, and this is our 3rd year doing it in Brentwood. So don't know what we're gonna add, but it's gonna be good. So stay tuned.